Chicago deep dish pizza. Really good. Check out the pineapple.
That is real good. Delicioso, Delicioso,
Hey, there she go.
There she go.
That's the one I got to know.
Gotta know.
Such a cutie, right? The crew is
Now they don't, now they don't, now they don't do that.
Hair flow, what she want, like a love songs when she talk, such a cutie,
It's your boy Diggy.
The crew is high, they don't do it like
It seems like, but oh why I've known ya. Nostalgic moments, feels like magic, don't it? Girl, you killing them. My condolence, that's how you own it. Yeah, that's how you own it. And I'm gonna be with you no matter what it takes. Running with scissors in the traffic, trying to cut straight to the chase. Wanna be there when you wake, with no makeup on your face. Not even gloss before you brush. Love your dimples when you blush. It's the simple things in life we take for granted cause we rush. I just wanna gain your trust as well as me giving you mine. What's your sign? I'm an Aries, I'm a 90s baby. Clearly I'll make sure to make some time for you, though my schedule may vary.
So, we're here at Laguna Garden, and my sister is going to try. This is going to be her first time eating a clam. As you can see, Joy took it out the shell. So, go.
Never mind.
Let us know how it tastes. Chew, 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 chew. Is it good? Is it good? Chew, chew. It's chewy, right?
Very much. White taste.
It's good. This eggplant. Oh. What can you say? There's gonna be a typhoon coming, and I'm not sure what the name is yet, but the news said that there's gonna be a typhoon coming and it's gonna hit within this week. So yeah, it's pretty cold and wet. The place is wet. Check this out. It's a ring. Food, food, bam, 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 bam. You can see it's really windy right now. And my cousin is, she has a flight. So yeah, we're about to head to the airport because we're gonna fetch her to the airport. And we're still here at Mandawi. The fam over here is popping, yo. Woo, it's crazy. It's crazy up in here. Purting, Pagina.
Bye. Super typhoon lang to. Oh, super typhoon. Ibasa na ko ba?
Zoom.
28 at cherry.
Video naman eh.
Ito 28.
Pink Coco 23.
love, love, la 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 love, 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 la 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 love, 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 la 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 love, love, love. Something is missing, been wishing I had my sweetheart. Wake in the morning, your pillow's cold and it's still hard. 4 weeks I know cause I'm counting. Look out the blinds and it's cloudy. No sunshine around me, the loneliness got me. So I just wait, wait. The days go so slow. Say, say, I can't imagine, girl, how you love.
Murah kan saya mula lega. Hai Ki. Noon sa tadere. Earth. Among gatod sa atin ni.
Christmas makes me feel emotional. It may bring parties and pause devotional. Whatever happened or what may be. This is what Christmas time means to me. Silver bells. Go. It's Christmas time in the city. Ding 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 ding. Ring-a-ling.
Ring-a-ling.
Very good. Hear them ring. Soon it will be Christmas Day. Very good. Christmas Day. Christmas Day.
Christmas Day. Terabyte. Terabyte.
Giga magod. Giga. Can't change. Thank you.
Casino alcohol.
Bring on the cheese. Cheese, 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 now shake. Cheese, 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 now shake.
Shake, 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 now drop. Shake, 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 now drop. Shake.
Realize the good fries.
Good fries and recognize.
Recognize good fries. Add more. They don't need to win. Yay.
Yay.
Thank
What's up, burger? Cheese. See? See that? Did you burnt yourself? Burnt yourself.
Yeah. May I?
Sai. It's hard. Good.
Yeah. It's Rangers. Yeah. Look. Just chill. I'm too ill. Just chill and listen to that shit I spit. Don't wanna listen and smell that shit I spit, go for the plunge. I'm on a mission to make you suck up my lyrics and sponge. Just chill to the haters and fakers getting expunged out my memories. My brain is backed up with positive. Swag is present and relevant, writing's my prerogative. Blessing and serving these rhymes to mind is evocative. My God, I thank you a lot. Now we got a lot to give, now we got a lot to spit. Missions to accomplish, all I need is my compass. And when I'm searching for your chick, I'll be like compass. Don't need to be off of being at all of these functions, baby, chill out.
On the real, you need to just chill. You be driving me crazy, let me see the real. Oh, for real, you wanna come chill? Come and kick it with me, girl, I'll show you how it feels. On the real, just chill, just chill. Cause on the real, you need to just chill. Okay. You can squeeze your fist, but I wouldn't use them. Zay gang or die, try to use your hands and lose them. I'm shooting for the stars, and literally I'ma shoot them and pollute them and blow up.
They didn't turn on the lights, so it's kind of dark outside. Alright. Zoom it. The moon. You see that? There's like a star beside it.
Okay, so we're looking for our mom. Her cell phone's empty battery.
Yeah, she did.
And then we asked them to page her. So we're just waiting for them
Yeah, the customer service.
to page for our mom.
Waiting for the sound.
Anytime now.
This is the first time.
First time. This is it, Manig. This is it.
Miss Cherry Argo, please proceed to Brett Dock at the North Wing. Miss Cherry Argo, to Brett Dock at the North Wing, please.
Next time, napanood closing mo nga. Shout out to all my peeps. Keep it rolling. So we went to SM earlier, and I know. Mugi nag-sneeze ko na ganyan.
Ew.
We got Ruffles in the house. We got picnic.
We got chocolates, we got M&M's, Cadbury.
We bought it for grandma because it's her birthday today. It's December 27, 2011, and she turned 78. Mama died. What are you writing, Kate? It's for
Mama died. Go, son, go.
It's my grandpa. Say hi.
Hi.
Bye.
Hi.
So we're about to go home now. And yeah, we're just packing and trying to prepare some stuff. So yeah, it's already 12 o'clock. Alright, peace out. Peace out. Peace out. Yeah, peace out. You said peace out. Peace out.
Maksudnya dari
You said
apa?
peace out. You said peace out.
Peace out.